Are you ready for some football? McDonald's sure is. They are teaming up with the Baltimore Ravens to bring you free Big Macs with their Macs for Sacks promotion. Mark Furr from McDonald's is joining us this morning. I haven't seen this many Big Macs. I can't remember when.
Yeah, well, we brought them just for you. And
just for me?
Yeah, yeah. And thank you very much for having us out here.
No problem. All right, this sounds like a really fun collaboration with the Ravens. What's going on?
We're the Baltimore area McDonald's. We're proud to be a sponsor of the Ravens this year, and to bring more excitement with our customers during the games, we came up with Macs for Sacks.
Okay, which is what?
Okay, it's if the Ravens, well, I say if the Ravens, when the Ravens get a sack during a football game, preseason or regular season, we're going to put a coupon on our mobile app, McD app, and it's going to be for the customers for the next day for a free Big Mac.
So I've got to download this app then, first of all. That's number one.
Yep, it's mcdapp.com is what you go to.
Okay, and then once the Ravens sack someone, sack the quarterback.
It will pop up on their app, and they have all the next day to use it. Now, you have to have your location services turned on. When you go to the McDonald's, you pull up the app will be there, you hit redeem, and then you get the free Big Mac.
That is too funny. I feel sorry for quarterbacks because now Ravens fans are really going to be rooting for some sacks here.
Yep, and it's for, they can have 10 sacks, but you only get one coupon.
Oh, I was going to say, do I get 10 days? It's going to be a lot of full people. All right, so Macs for Sacks, just download the app, very easy to do. Go to the App Store.
Yep, go to the App Store, iPhone, Android device, and load it up. And
you just made the games a lot more interesting. Thank you.
Okay, you're welcome.
All right, well, if you want to learn more, log on to our website. We got all the details there, so make sure you don't miss out on the opportunity. foxbaltimore.com/morning.